A few weeks ago, I got an email from Nuphy that said they were gonna send me a gift box, but I have no idea what it is. I didn't even have a tracking number. It just like showed up today. Like it's really light, so I can't imagine that this is a mechanical keyboard. It has this really cool elastic. I don't know what, I'm gonna have to find a use for this elastic. Okay, it's holding something together. T-shirt? What? Oh, multiple things. Aroma stone. Ah, t-shirt. I don't know if this will fit me. 2XL? Wait, maybe this is, I don't know what this is. What? I really hope I didn't break whatever was in there because it says aroma stone, so if it's delicate, yeah, my clumsy hands just dropped that. Unboxing video. Oh, it is actually a stone. Oh. Oh, that smells good. That works out because I love aromatherapy. I don't usually have a candle on my desk when I'm editing because it's like I don't have enough space and I don't want a candle to just like fall over when I'm editing, but this would be nice. I don't know if there's already oil on it because it smells really good already as is. I don't know if this is something that they're gonna sell, like a special edition. That'd be pretty cool, special edition. Too thick to come out. It's kind of gooey consistency. Use like a dropper product reviewing this when it's probably a limited edition thing. I mean, who knows? They might end up selling this. I don't think this is essential oils because it smells a lot like perfumes that I wear. It smells really good though. Oh, there is instructions. Add 3 to 6 drops of essential oil onto the surface. Oh my God, my hands are shaking. This coffee. The surface of the plastic diffuser. This can't be plastic. This is not plastic. What is this one? Bag. Oh, probably a tote. Yes, a cute tote. Wonderful. New grocery bag. It's got a nice feel to it. Polyester nylon than all my other bags. Much lighter weight. Okay, this one I'm really curious about. T-shirt and tie. I don't know if it's gonna be like that because that looks itchy, but I'm so curious about this. Oh my God, it's actually closed. Oh, it's a zipper tie. Oh, cute. It's a little bit big though. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit this. I really wish that they asked me for my size because I'm not a 2XL. Okay, let's try it on. It's a little big. This is definitely an oversized fit. What if I take this elastic that came on the box, cinched it, make it fashion? It's a look. Yeah, not my look. What do we think? Honestly, it's really cute, but it's just like very big, even though I tucked it into my pants. Never thought I would be doing like an outfit of the day with a mechanical keyboard branded clothing merch, but here we are. I actually would wear this. Nuphy, if you can send me a smaller size, I'll totally rock this. I feel like an anime character right now. I don't know which anime character because I don't watch anime. I don't know how to remove this tie. I'm stuck. There we go. I'm actually surprised. This is 100% cotton. I have a preference for natural fibers. There's also a lot of really cool details and it's dual tone. I had no intention of making a video. I had no idea what was in the package. Nuphy didn't ask me to make a video or anything, but I decided to make one. I'm kind of procrastinating on other work. So right now I'm actually just gonna do a photo shoot for fun because why not? This is definitely more of a random video. Just wanted to have fun with this. Who knows, maybe if they end up selling this as merch, some of the information here to be helpful. If you do want to see actual mechanical keyboards from Nuphy, I have 2 reviews and you can check the Air 75 right here and you can check out the Node 75 right there. I also have an awesome discount code for you if you do end up buying it, but check out the reviews first to see if those are things that are interesting to you. If not, I have other things on my channel and I will see you in the next one and it'll be more on topic. Bye.